Hey, what's up, everybody? I learned something new today on camera techniques. First of all, let me show you what I learned, or what everybody should know. Okay, this is a pan. You just turn the camera left to right. All right, that's a pan. I learned a swish is when you take your camera and rotate it really fast, like this, right? And back. Or you go the other way and back. That's a swish. And with a swish, you go from here, or I could be here. Or I could go from here, or I could be here waiting at an airport. Or here, or I could be here. Or you could be here. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that montage of what I just learned today, the switch technique. Enjoy that technique, it's very easy to use, and have a good day. And I am switching on out of here. Woo!